Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have something supremely exciting to share with you guys, and myself, because I'm unboxing this, of course, for the first time. Really excited to get in here. So I come back from vacation and go to the post office to check my box. It's, of course, crammed full of things. But one package, I'm excited to unbox everything, but one package stood out, and that's because the name on the box was Brian Winters. Oh boy. Every year, Brian Winters sits atop his wizard's tower, looking down at us lowly mortals struggling with the previous year's technology. And then he decides to just drop something absolutely insane. I have a feeling I know what this is, but it's a much larger box than I was expecting, so who knows what sort of wizard's tricks are in this treasure trove. We're going to open it up together. Thanks so much to Brian Winters. I do not know if and when, I don't know when this will be available. I'll put the appropriate links in the description. You guys can go check them out. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Oh boy, okay. All right. Look at the case. I have been following this thing on Instagram for so long, and and every now and then I would send him a message like, "Is it time?" You know, and he'd be like, "You know, it'll get to you when it's ready." But this is going to be crazy. I don't think anything like this has ever existed. I love the font, by the way, so cool. Okay, inspired by the Force. So this is going to be it is a knife. I know you guys are like, oh my God, not another lightsaber. It is, but I'm so excited for people who don't know what they're about to see. Black PVD, white Cerakote 7075. It's a bunch of different options. Let's open it up. Oh, the presentation. Look at this. Brian Winters still standing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The presentation is this is so intense, man. Oh my God. I cannot explain to you, doing what I do, like how Christmas this is to me right now. The excitement that I am experiencing. Oh my gosh, we got 2 of them. Let's go. Oh man. So I'm going to learn about how these operate. I don't know yet. I don't know everything yet. I'm going to have him help me and explain. But I guess this is a magnetically driven chassis. It's obviously modeled after, I'm going to boldly assume, the Darksaber from Star Wars. But is it up or down? I don't know. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me, dude. That is so cool. Oh, man. That is so wicked. This is so cool. Oh, look at that blade. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Man, this is so wicked. This actually kind of works as a little choke up spot right here, this ledge. I cannot imagine the fun and the power is amazing. Oh, and the lockup solidity too. Oh, let's do this one. Oh, dude, there is nothing. I have never experienced anything like this. This is so cool. This is so I'm gonna lose it. Every year, man, I struggle to come up with real competition for Brian. He is every time, like, there's so many companies that do amazing stuff. And then way off way out of our solar system and way past wherever to the center of the freaking Milky Way galaxy, there's Brian and his space wizard tower laughing with his secret, insane design tech. Oh my God. This is so cool. It's so cool. Okay, hold on. This is the way. This is just stupidly beyond cool. I don't even my vocabulary is going out the window. I love this. This is spectacular. What a cool blade. What an absolutely awesome blade shape. Let's read. Okay. The Winterblade Darkfire is possibly our most anticipated knife model to date. Striking in both form and function, the Darkfire features a unique firing mechanism as well as unique internal mechanics. That was me. That was not his type. It was me reading like a cave person. Features: inspired by the Force, unique blade guard, open and close actuation, unique internal firing mechanism, M390 blade steel in gloss black DLC. Yes, that is so cool. Black PVD or white Cerakote 7075 aluminum handle / housing, reversible pocket clip and more, etc., etc. In stock drop coming March of 2026. So it's a long ways off. I know, but these aren't easy to just stamp and press and produce, right? This is going to be a pop. People are going to be climbing over each other to get these. So I can understand that. These should go well with your dark light. Yeah. So yeah, that's when these are going to drop. And then I don't know if he wants the unboxing video closer, but I would love, Brian, for you to pop into the comments and explain exactly what's going on here. Look at we have little tritium slots too. Oh, that's so cool. This is so well thought out. The feeling of operation here it's an OTF, definitely. Like the firing power is absolutely up there with what I experienced with Microtech's, hardest firing autos. This one really, man. But I cannot decide which profile I like more. I honestly I cannot decide. They're so cool. It looks like right and left hand mounting positions for the pocket clip, which is very good considering it is an OTF that operates, with it's a spine switch, but it's just completely different. Like every other OTF I've ever experienced has been a sliding switch. This is like a lever. Or, the other ones will have like a switch on the face. Now, inevitably we're going to have people saying like, oh, well, the design does not yield much in the way of practicality, like aggressively missing the point, right? It'll definitely function as a tool. Like this is definitely built to function as a carryable tool, but it's also clearly inspired by Star Wars and meant to be fun and something exciting and different in terms of design and functionality in a knife market that I think we all can agree has become insanely boring. So to the people who want to point out that it might be less practical than your typical utility-oriented OTF, I would say, for the love of God, can you let everybody else enjoy something that's just different? Like, my God, enjoy your Buck 110s and your Opinels and all that. That's great if that's your favorite thing and you tuck them in and you sleep together in the same. That's great, but like the rest of us are bored to tears with the same types of these companies releasing the same types of things over and over again. Here's our brand new axis lock, our brand new frame lock. I mean, my knife initially when it came out was a frame lock, right? It's not easy to do this stuff, but thank God there are people out here who will do this, who can do this. Thank goodness. Brian Winter's saving the entire community from boredom. These will be expensive. They absolutely will be expensive. Hyper impressed with this. Love the blade. I think it's perfect. I love the way, so how he's done this is really cool to imitate that Darksaber look, which has that sort of reverse, kind of like inverted light or like black. It's like a black blade with an outline of white light. He has actually removed this area up here, this bevel, or it's just an area that's not coated. So we get an outline, and this is dull up here, by the way, but you get an outline around the DLC between this bevel up here, the edge bevel up here, which is real thick tanto edge, and then your cutting bevel. That is extremely cool and very, very well thought out. Very true to form. The Darkfire. My goodness, what an epic name for the knife. I love the font too. I don't even mind the billboarding out. Like, it's just cool. It's so cool. This is going to be the talk of the town, man. Like, it already has been, but like when this thing becomes available for people to pick up and check out, it's just going to be it's going to be the number one most exciting thing in our community by a landslide. I mean, it's just absolutely epic. Let's go ahead and get some quick specs. I mean, I'm gushing about this. I cannot wait to just sit and like play with these. The overall length of the Darkfire, oh, it's a big boy, 9 inches. Blade length, we're going to go 3.75. Cutting edge, 3.5. I wonder if his specs actually match. So here's his, he's saying blade length is 4 if we measure down here probably. Yeah, okay, to here, I guess is what he's referring to. And then he says overall length is 9.125. So that's what we're looking at there. This is insane. Let's weigh it here real quick, and I'll give you guys just a couple of size comparisons. The review, which will take place down the road a bit, will include, because I don't have all the details. Oh, I'm pushing tear, sorry. I don't have all the details, but the review will include all of the intricacies of what's going on inside. So your weight, pretty heavy, 6.2 ounces. I'm sure that there's a lot of crazy, funky wizard tech going on in there, so I can't really say that I'm, surprised there. But there you go. Fairly chunky OTF. Like, I think we can all agree that as far as like OTFs go, they're these different companies that are doing different things, Hawk and Microtech and Hogue and Benchmade and Kershaw and whoever, right? They're all a little different, but they're all pretty much the same thing. This is completely different. This is, there's nothing else like this. Everything about this knife is different. I think I like the black one the best. That's so cool, man. Oh boy, that's just wicked. Size comparisons. Okay, let's do, here's the raccoon. I have a bunch of budget knives out here today. We have the Miguron Moyarl here. We have the Vision FG. There we go. How about the large Pyrite? It's a good one. I don't know where my standard size comparison knives are. Here's the standard Pyrite. What else we have? We have the Kershaw. Oh, what is this one called? I always forget. That's that one budget Kershaw that actually there's a bunch of different budget, mid-range, and high-end, all that stuff. And then we have the Porcupine from Vosteed as well. Very cool. Okay. This is super fun. You will see this all over when I get the green light, which if you're seeing this video, I have the green light to show this, but you'll see it all over, YouTube Shorts and TikTok and Instagram. I'll put it all over the place, but so exciting. That's going to be it today, guys. As of right now, this is easily the coolest thing. Like, I have some really, some of the stuff that's come out in 2025 has been truly spectacular, and I definitely have a list. But if you're wondering, where, is this one of your favorite things of 2025? Absolutely. I think it is absolutely the coolest thing that I have handled in 2025. It might not be able to make the list, though, considering it won't release until 2026. So I'll have to kind of find out if this is still in prototype phase or if it's planned to change at all. But, I'll kind of talk about that. This might end up being a 2026 knife. But if it is, it's going to be really hard for any of them. And I would think that it would be kind of tricky for another knife release to be as cool. So anyways, that's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.